Here I have CUBOT Note 9, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera. So now let's take one photo with this feature enabled. Now to disable it, you just go to settings and find this option mirror reflection. So you disable it, and now so you can see the difference. These photos are mirrored. Like on this one we have lighting from the right side, on this one from the left side, and yeah, basically these photos are mirrored. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.